Hello, this is Tash Tires. I've got a BMW 1 Series here. I'm going to show you how to reset the brake fluid service indicator. The remaining life on the brake fluid. It's quite a simple procedure. It's a keyless entry. All you got to do is press the start button once. Just make sure the ignition on. And then this button right here on the left, you press it twice and hold it. Now you got the reset possible, which is well, this month now or next month possibly, but he's done them anyway. You let go of the button, press it again. You let go of the button, press it again, hold it. Now the reset is in progress. Let's say now it's 22 now. So that's all you got to do on your car. If you did want to go through other resets as well, you can do the same thing what I've just done there now, and that's it. So anything else you need to know, do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video and share it where possible. Thank you very much. Goodbye.